Over the past 2 days, we had a terrible flood in the Mediterranean basin. This is the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding areas, we call it basin. Mostly in the northern part of it, Greece, Italy, and Spain. We had yesterday Spain metro being flooded. Now we have the footage coming out of the Greece showing the sea moving toward the land, and also the excess rain cannot flow through the existing riverbeds. The floodplains are already taken. That means that these areas should not have been built at all in the first place. They should have had a map of the flood basin, historical floods, so no building anymore around them. They did it, and you can see the result. This is the reason that we say that the developers and the councils and the governments should stop actually letting people build their homes in the flood basins where there is a history of flood. This is the result of it. When there is excess rain, we know that this is what is going to happen. Unfortunately, in Greece now we have this situation. Everywhere that these holiday homes and things are built is now flooded, as you can see here. Fast flash floods coming down from higher grounds. There is a reason for that. I will show you also in a few seconds. The reason for that is a cyclone. It's a tropical cyclone that is creating this excess amount of the flood. We are having a drought in the northern Europe, and now in the southern Europe we have these flash floods. They're not prepared for this kind of thing. The structures, the roads, the infrastructure is not ready for this. This is the cyclone I was talking about. It's all over the Greece. We have this kind of things in the UK and the Scandinavian countries, usually around this time up to the November, and then in the winter they don't have it in those areas in the Mediterranean.